looking at the library from High Street across the rubble that used to be the Fibermark building. It certainly has opened up the corner for better sight lines. It gives a great view of the library from High Street. And the ongoing clearing of the rubble is happening here at the corner. From the north side of the property, we're standing in what will be the green lawn space. This is an outdoor recreational and performance area. Looking at the north face of the building. Over towards the pergola, which will be a viewing station for watching the wildlife along the river, and also an outdoor performance space for speakers and programs that we do here at the library, or other community events as well. Looking out towards the dam with the water running fairly high today. Across towards the fishway and viewing platform, which will be opening later in May. Across to the Texon building, which is still under demolition, scheduled to be complete later in May. From the front of the building, main entrance from the parking lot. There's been work in the last week on a stone wall which will frame the donor brick patio that'll be just outside the meeting room. This will be a nice area to take a break outside from meetings, sit down along the wall, enjoy the view of the river. Walking in the main entrance. Corridor to the meeting room is to the left. Small cafe and seating area to the right. Restrooms to the left. And the main entrance to the library. Circulation desk will be to the right. The staff area behind. Looking out the entrance to the children's room. Stairs to the second floor. And then our new materials and browsing area. Conference room on the left will have room for up to 20 people. The community meeting room will have meeting space for 120 people. Wood paneled ceiling. And then terrific views right at the Holyoke Dam. And we're looking over to the entrance to the children's room coming from the circulation area. And we have the children's staff desk. Sitting and computing area, looking back towards that greenish yellow area and the main book stacks. And then on the left, this blue area is the story time and crafts room. Looking at the second floor from the reference area. This area in front will be the main computer area for adults. To the right is a small business and copier area. Along the Canal Street side will be the book stacks. This corner will contain a small art gallery and display space. From the main stairwell, on the other side of the second floor, will be our periodical and reading area. A large and much expanded teen room and collection. Also along the Canal Street side will be our local history room, which will finally give us a dedicated space for our historical books, photographs, maps, and other documents and artifacts.